Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are having a great day so far. So today we have a 2010 Honda Accord, and it seems that the brake lights are continuing to stay on. So in today's video, we will be diagnosing and repairing this issue. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Starting from the driver's side, if we go underneath the wheel. Underneath the wheel, by the brake pedal, there is a small switch here, which should have a hard rubber pad that presses on this switch and deactivates the rear brake lights when the car is parked. Seems to be missing from here. Perhaps it fell off or broke or something. However, now that rubber pad needs to be replaced. This is the replacement part for this vehicle. The reference number is the part number. So let's go ahead and install this into place by simply slotting it into the hole until it is fully seated, and then pressing the brake pedal forward until it slots into place. From here, we can go ahead and exit the vehicle. And looking towards the back, we can now see that both brake lights are no longer illuminated. This problem has a few different causes as well. However, it may be worth checking underneath the steering wheel to see if that rubber pad is missing and can be replaced. However, that's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this content helpful, please consider subscribing, as it helps the channel a lot. And also feel free to give it a like and post a comment below. But in any case, thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Take care.